Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making a celery juice which is used to reduce high blood pressure. Celery is a great source of antioxidants. It can relieve skin issues and promote clear complexion. As you can see, the celery looks dirty, but a thorough washing is expected here in order to remove all the dirty. Cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. We'll be making use of water to complete this process. Kindly check out my next video to see what you can do with the remains of this celery after you must have taken the water. This will drastically reduce your blood pressure after 1 week of taking it. Please note that you are expected not to put this juice in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.